see my last video? I'm sure you did and I did too. Thank you very much. Today I'm going to talk something very essential and important. Are you all ready? Okay. So you must have heard someone saying that you will never change your life until you don't change something which you do daily. I repeat, you will never change your life until you change something which you do daily. That's habit. Yes, today I'm going to talk about habit. Well, what is habit? Habit is a routine of behavior that is repeated regularly and tends to occur subconsciously. Habit is what drives us and keeps us going. But do you know what? That first we make our habits and then our habits makes us. Isn't that crazy? Well, how to form any habit? Friends, there are three factors which results in formation of our habits. First, cue. It's the trigger that leads us to do something. Second, it's routine. That's the action which we take for those triggers. Third is reward. It's the pleasure which we get on performing those actions. Now the thing is that habits can either be good or bad, but our subconscious mind cannot differentiate that whether the habit is good or bad. It's just that whatever we do every day becomes our habit, whether it's good or bad. But then how to understand whether my habit is good or bad? It's simple. A habit is bad if it makes my life poorer, not richer. I repeat, a habit is bad if it makes my life poorer and not richer. Then, it's like a bad habit can be as simple as criticizing your spouse, getting impatient in the grocery queue, or maybe saying word which will regret later. A good habit can be practicing gratitude, staying fit, or managing money well. Well, then how to remove any habit? Correct? But you know what, my friend? Surprisingly, we can't delete or erase our habit, but we can replace it. We can replace it by developing a new one. So now the question comes, how to develop a new habit? Yeah. So now what happens while developing a new habit, there can come many obstacles, and obstacles can be of any form. Which will resist us, or maybe it will make us make some excuses which will not let into its execution. But then we have to take our own preventive measures to overcome these obstacles. And to develop any new habit or any good habit, one has to start. And start when? It's always now or never. Followed by these 7 simple steps which leads to develop a new habit. Now what are those 7 steps? First, identify your habit. Second, make a decision and then commitment to change. Third, discover your triggers and obstacles. Fourth, devise a plan. Fifth, bring change in your routine. Sixth, employ affirmations and visualizations. And seventh, find a healthy way to reward yourself. And most importantly, follow 21-90 rule, which says it takes 21 days to make a habit and 90 days to make a permanent lifestyle change. So have commit to a goal for 21 days and make it your habit, and commit to a goal for 90 days and see it becoming a part of your lifestyle. Well friends, I am developing my habits which is already enhancing my personality and making me a more better person. Which habit you are developing? Ask yourself, are you slave of your habits or master of them? Thank you.